Hi all, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss the general English part from the AMU B.Ed previous year question paper. There will be 25 questions from this area. First question. How many times dash not to do that? How many times dash not to do that? Option A. Haven't I told you? Option B. Have I told? Option C. I told you. Option D. Have I told you? Correct answer. Option D. Have I told you? Then the question will be, how many times have I told you not to do that? Second question. The cabinet warned the Prime Minister that if he did not accept their advice, the differences between the legislative and the executive arms of the government would be dash. Option A. Eliminated. Option B. Eroded. Option C. Exemplified. Option D. Exacerbated. The correct answer is option D. Exacerbated. Exacerbate means to make more violent. Third question. The television serials are characterized by an dash storyline and dash plots and subplots. Option A. Unending, convoluted. Option B. Infantile, break. Option C. Extempore, routine. Option D. Erratic, forthcoming. The correct answer is option A. Unending, convoluted. Next question. You can do franchising if you are dash to shut your dash to many things. Option A. Willing, eyes. Option B. Opt, eyes. Option C. Skilled, window. Option D. Blind, vision. The correct answer is option A. Willing, eyes. Then we can read this sentence as, you can do franchising if you are willing to shut your eyes to many things. Next question. The antonym of antidote is option A. Medicine. Option B. Poison. Option C. Anodyne. Option D. Amity. Correct answer is option B. Poison. Next question. In all dash, Harsh will get the job. Option A. Likelihood. Option B. Options. Option C. Odds. Option D. Candidates. Correct answer is option A. Likelihood. Next question. The antonym of ally is option A. Aid. Option B. Adduce. Option C. Opponent. Option D. Rely. Correct answer is option C. Opponent. Antonym means a word opposite in meaning to another. Next question. Sabha caused her parents a lot of dash when she was a teenager. Option A. Problematic. Option B. Yearning. Option C. Anxiety. Option D. Vex. Correct answer is option C. Anxiety. Next question. Jaya knew that to apologize would be dash to admitting she had failed. Option A. Assumed. Option B. Tantamount. Option C. Abrogate. Option D. About. Correct answer is option B. Tantamount. Next question. If a rider does not hold the dash correctly, he can fall. Option A. Bridle. Option B. Whip. Option C. Bridle. Option D. Saddle. Correct answer is option C. Bridle. Next question. She is extremely hopeful about her results. Dash. Option A. Isn't she? B. Is she? C. She isn't. D. Aren't she? Correct answer is option A. Isn't she? Next question. Varun was accused of murdering his wife, and though he was dash. He never recovered from the shame and the scandal. Option A, charged. Option B, booked. Option C, applauded. Option D, acquitted. Correct option, option D, acquitted. Next question. At this age, he is tired dash his life. Option A, with. Option B, from. Option C, of. Option D, upon. Correct answer is option C, of. Then this sentence became, at this age, he is tired of his life. Next question. The officer has stayed away from dash populism such as raising the income tax exemption limit. Option A, restricted. Option B, classified. Option C, overt. Option D, furtive. Correct option, option C, overt. Next question. He dash everything that was taught by me. Option A, understand. Option B, understands. Option C, understood. Option D, was understanding. Correct option, option C, understood. Then this sentence become, he understood everything that was taught by me. Next, dash novel you gave me is out of dash print. Option A, the, an. Option B, and, the. Option A, the. Option D, the, no article. Correct answer, option D, the, no article. Then this sentence became, the article you gave me is out of no article print. Let's move to the next question. The indirect speech for the sentence, he said, alas, I am undone, is. Option A, he exclaimed that he would be undone. B, he exclaimed for sorrow that he was undone. Option C, he exclaimed with sorrow that he was undone. Option D, he exclaimed with sorrow that he were undone. Correct answer, option C, he exclaimed with sorrow that he was undone. Next, distribute the apples dash the children. Option A, among. B, between. C, with. D, to. Correct answer, option A, among. Then this sentence become, distribute the apples among the children. She is a close friend of dash. Option A, my. B, I. C, me. D, mine. Correct answer, option D, mine. She is a close friend of mine. Next, he was sorry dash what he had done. Option A, over. Option B, for. Option C, at. Option D, off. Correct answer, option B, for. He was sorry for what he had done. Next, dash the general had been told by the field staff that continuing welfare would be dash to his soldiers. He insisted on deploying more battle tanks. Option A, although detrimental. Option B, because incremental. Option C, although formidable. Option D, because immediate. Correct answer, option A, although detrimental. Next, the president has dash to the demands to release secret documents related to the army. Option A, refused. Option B, endorsed. Option C, incited. Option D, exceeded. Correct answer, option D, exceeded. Next question. The political dash of the 1980s and 1990s resulted in a civil war. Option A, accord. Option B, discord. Option C, dissent. Option D, discretion. Correct answer, option B, discord. Next question. 3 years dash passed since Ram's mother died. Option A is. Option B are. C were. D have. Correct answer, option D, have. Then this sentence become, 3 years have passed since Ram's mother died. Next question. Innate means. Option A, acquired. Option B, inborn. Option C, simple. Option D, alert. Correct answer, option A, acquired. This is the last question. Here we solved total 75 questions from the AMU B.Ed previous question paper 2020. In the next part, we can discuss the area reasoning. Here it's time to wind up this class. Let's continue. Stay connected. If you like the video, please do subscribe, like, share and comment.